Welcome back to Money Mastery Insights, where we decode the strategies of the world's most successful investors. Today, we're diving into a powerful lesson from the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. Why he never sells great companies? If you're serious about understanding the secrets of lasting wealth, intelligent capital allocation, and patient investing, you're absolutely in the right place. Let's get started. Warren Buffett follows a timeless rule. He says, if you're not willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. That quote captures his entire philosophy. Buffett doesn't buy stocks. He buys businesses. He looks for companies with honest and capable management, businesses with durable, competitive advantages, what he calls a moat, and strong, predictable earnings potential. Once he finds such a company, he doesn't treat it like a trade. He treats it like ownership. When you own something great, you hold it for life. So why does Buffett hold on so tightly? Because of the most powerful force in the financial world, compounding. When you sell too soon, you make two big mistakes. First, you break the compounding process, the true engine of wealth. And second, you trigger taxes that eat into your profits. Buffett often says his favorite holding period is forever. He believes that if a company keeps increasing its earnings power and continues to protect its market position, the smartest thing an investor can do is stay patient. Let time and quality do the heavy lifting. Only sell if the company's fundamentals or its advantage are truly broken. A perfect example of this is Coca-Cola. Buffett bought Coca-Cola shares in 1988, and more than 35 years later, he still owns them. Why? Because Coca-Cola is a masterpiece of simplicity and scale. It generates consistent cash flow. It owns one of the most recognized brands on earth, and it keeps growing around the world. Buffett once said, I could hold Coke forever. I like the business, and I like the management. That $1 billion investment has turned into tens of billions in value and pays hundreds of millions in annual dividends. That's wealth that grows while you sleep. The lesson is simple. Stop thinking like a speculator. Start thinking like an owner. Focus on quality businesses you'd be proud to hold for decades. Don't let short-term market swings shake your confidence when a great company's price drops. Ask yourself one question. Has the business really changed? If the answer is no, staying invested could be your smartest move. That is it for today's insight on Warren Buffett's never sell rule. If this lesson on compounding and patience inspired you, make sure to subscribe to Money Mastery Insights for more timeless strategies from Warren Buffett and the world's greatest investors. Thanks for watching.